A lot of multi-tools, particularly from Leatherman, come with a bit driver, such as this Leatherman Wave. It uses these flat bits. There's a driver built in. You can change the bits as you need to, but not all of the tools have this built-in bit driver. For example, the Leatherman 300. Excellent tool, very rugged, very heavy duty. It comes with a big selection of regular screwdrivers, two different sizes here, and over here another of the regular size and a Phillips driver. But it doesn't have a changeable set of bits like the Wave and some of the other tools. So, what are you going to do if you need to add some bits? Well, there's two solutions from Leatherman. One of the solutions is this. It's called the Universal Tool Adapter, and it is intended to be used like this. You slip it over the pliers while they're still held inside the tool. You squeeze the grips together, the handles together, and it provides this surface right here for bits. And this bit driver can be held at a 45-degree angle, a 90-degree angle, 180. It is extremely solid, very useful. This universal driver is a follow-up to their original. This one is on an original Leatherman personal survival tool. But this one, the original, has this extra protrusion here that is designed to fit right here. It only fits on certain tools, like so. That's the original tool adapter with a original Leatherman. The Leatherman Universal Tool Adapter works with the Super Tool 300 and almost any of the Leatherman multi-tools, and it allows you to use these standard-sized bits like so. So that's the Universal Tool Adapter. A second option is called the removable bit driver, which is this device. And it is intended to fit over the Phillips head screwdriver that comes on a lot of these tools, probably almost all of your Leatherman multi-tools, including the Juice series, and just about all of them are going to have the right size Phillips that fits over this opening here, makes a good solid connection, and then you can take whatever bits you might need for a specific job. So, you got the universal tool adapter and the removable bit driver. Also, Leatherman makes an item that works on these where these flat bits fit, and it's called the tool extender, or the bit extender. And it just gives you a longer reach to use standard sized bits or the flat bits like this. That's the bit extender. Now the big question is, how do you get these all of these tools someplace where you can take them with you and they're available for use? The universal tool adapter comes in this case, this carrying case. It allows you to carry some additional bits in here, plus the tool adapter. Clips in place. But of course, you're going to have to try to figure out where to put all of these flat bits. They come on these handy little cards or bit holders. They hold 10 of these double-sided bits, so you've got 20 of them, 20 different sizes available, and it just becomes a question of, how are you going to carry all of this stuff? Well, that's where the Unofficial Leatherman Ultimate Bit Kit comes into play. That's right, it's the Ultimate Bit Kit, the UBK. Now with the UBK, you've got storage room for your tool adapter, clips into place so that it doesn't bounce around on you, making a lot of noise. You've also got storage for 3 additional bits right here. You've got a slot here for the removable bit adapter, and thanks to the wonders of Velcro, there's also room for a handy bag of bits. Got some of the different sizes that might be needed out in the field. So, oh, by the way, in case you didn't know it, with the bit extender, if you take this clip off of a ordinary ink pen, sometimes might take a little bit of adjustment, but it's just going to fit right onto the bit extender. Now you have the tactical bit extender. Anyway, you load up your UBK and you are ready to go. So, the Unofficial Leatherman Ultimate Bit Kit. Yeah.